Hi, and welcome to CampaignTrackly. In this video, I will walk you through the CampaignTrackly platform so that you can see how easy it is to find your way around. So let's start with the All Campaigns menu. All Campaigns brings you to the table which will store all of your tracking links. Here, you'll be able to see your campaigns, the date they were created. You can easily search for them, or you can see who created the campaign and how many links it has. If you click inside each individual campaign, you're taken to another table which actually has information about all the links that were tracked together with the ADI CID tracking elements. You can export select links or all of the links so that you can have this information in a CSV or Excel spreadsheet. You can add new links from here, or you can perform a QA check to make sure that your links are in a good health and they're being tracked. From here, you can go back to all of your campaigns, which will take you to the main campaigns page. If you have categories, this is where you can sort your campaigns by category. And this is where you can export all of your campaigns. Also, if you have different teams, this is where you can toggle between teams depending on the access that your admin has provided for you. Or if you are the admin, then you'll have full access to everything. The next thing to look at is the CID Builder menu item. The CID Builder menu item is your actual builder that will enable you to create tracking links. If you have already created templates, they're going to be situated here, and they are going to be grouped based on the folders that you have created. So if you want to start building your tracking links, all you need to do is drag your template here, enter the name of a new campaign, or you can refer to an already existing campaign. You can add links. If you have created already a list of your links that you're going to be using, you will be allowed to just click on a link, hit insert links, and it's automatically here. You can also upload links if you need to upload the list of your links from your computer, or you can manually type and copy and paste links. And then from here, if you have any campaign categories, you can select the category. If you have a shortener, you can select the shortener. And once you're ready, you can proceed to going to step 2. Now let's go to the menu on the left. The menu on the left has the same campaign dashboard that you will access by clicking on all campaigns. Then account settings, which is something that most likely the admins will be managing, has access to the team. This is where you can manage team members and permission with a few easy clicks. It's very easy to send invites. Enter your team member emails and hit the send invitations button. Admins will have a very easy time managing invitations, adding team members to different teams or removing them, as well as sharing tags and allowing certain members to have more control than others. So first of all, let's go into the tag actions and select the tag sharing icon. Just fill out the form to share tags with a single person or with a whole team. Next comes the individual member access management. Here, you have a lot of opportunities to either limit completely access or give a member a lot of opportunities to manage both tags and campaigns. The next item on the menu is the standardized tag page, where administrators can standardize the capitalization of the tags or the space between tag groups and tags themselves. The forbidden tags is just a simple form which enables administrators to forbid automatically the use of certain tags that, for example, have been archived. Shortener is a page where the admins will set up a shortener if needed. Categories is a page where admins will be able to create categories if needed. Archive is where campaigns and links that are old and no longer active can be archived. Integrate and CampaignTrackly API are two pages where your admin will be able to set up API connections for machine-to-machine exchange of data between CampaignTrackly and your marketing platforms. The tag library is a place where all of the custom tags will be set up, likely by the admin. Here, we give you the opportunity to create several different types of tags: alphanumeric, numeric, hidden value tag, and multi-value tag. We have a separate set of videos for those that you'll be able to watch, so I will not go in detail today in this video. Your tags created here will be used in your templates. And the templates page is the page where you will be able to manage all of your templates. A template makes it very easy for you to embed the link tracking process in your daily workflows, because a template will have everything you need to tag or track your link with all of the required tags and all of the required values without the need for you to have to remember everything. The process should be automated, quick, and very easy to follow. How do you create a new template? Just hit the plus button at the top left of the table. How do you edit? Just click on a template and then click on the edit button at the top left. Once you open it, you will see that it contains the following: template name. The main identifier is ADI, CID, but it could be anything. You can type whatever identifier you like. Custom tag combination has these 5 custom tags, and it's important how you order them, because the way you order them here will be the way they will be ordered into your link. And then here on the right hand side, you can decide what values will need to be added to each link every single time. You can save a template from here, and then immediately it will be available to you to use from the CID link builder. Let's go back to the templates page, because I want to show you the folders and how easy it is to manage them. Let's click on the folder icon at the top right. You can edit folders, or you can create brand new folders from here. You can nest folders into other folders as well. It's a very simple process. It allows you to have a very streamlined and easy template management. Every team can have different tags and can have different templates as well. So for example, the media marketing team might have templates which are different from the email team or recruiting team, etc. The goal here is to offer easy segmentation so that the marketers can have access to the templates that they use on a daily basis without any distractions or without any clutter. We want to ensure that your tracking journey is easy, saves you time, and is very simple. The expectation is that you'll be using only the All Campaigns and CID Link Builder menus. And once you get to the CID Link Builder, you will have a very easy time finding the template that you need so that you can do your job very quickly and efficiently. Our next menu item will take you to our knowledge base. This is the place where we have 60 plus articles for both UTM and Adobe tracking. If you're looking for Adobe tracking related resources, just navigate to our search area and type the topic that you need more information about. Likely you will find articles related to your questions in the drop-down, but if you are unable to find any information, do not hesitate to use our online chat, where our support team will try to accommodate you as fast and as soon as possible. Now, to quickly recap what we covered these 5 items from the left-hand side menu. We also covered these 2 menu items, which are going to be the ones that you will probably be using most frequently. And to the right is our user menu, Here we have information about onboarding, help and how to contact us, an option for you to edit your email information or password information, and admins will have access to invoices, plan information, and more. And this concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching. My name is Milena. Have a wonderful day.